Vouchers enable sellers to give customers time-sensitive deals on products. The voucher can either be for a set amount off or a percentage off. The voucher needs to be for between 5 and 80% off the lowest price in the previous month. When creating a voucher, you set a budget. That budget covers both the discount and the redemption fee for the voucher. When creating a voucher, you choose a segment of the Amazon customer base you wish to advertise to. Finally, when creating a voucher, you set a schedule, i.e. a start and an end date for the voucher's eligibility. You will see that these products here have vouchers, which can be seen here. If we click on a product, from within the product we can apply the voucher, and that will then be applied at the checkout. There is also a dedicated voucher page on Amazon, which can be seen here. Now let's go through the process of creating a voucher on Amazon. Vouchers are accessed from advertising vouchers in the main menu. If we click in the top right hand corner, we can create a new voucher. In the first section here, you select the subset of products you wish to apply the voucher to. So I'm going to select the Hymus product range. You then add these products to the voucher and click to continue the next step. In the next step, you select whether you want to offer money off or a percentage off these products. So let's offer £1 off these products, and we can set how many times we want to allow a customer to use it. So in this case, we can limit to 1 redemption per customer, or it can be redeemed multiple times per customer. The budget here, a minimum of 100, sets the amount of the discount and also the redemption fee. So this states here that it's 45p per redemption. The voucher will be deactivated when it reaches 80% utilization. That's to prevent you from overshooting your budget. Let's click on the next step. Here you can give it a title. Let's say save £1 on Hymus. And you can target customers here. So all customers, prime customers, student members or family members. And you can set a date. So let's set a date in the future for the start, 1st of April. And the end date will be the last day of April. So that's live for a month. And review and submit. So that's how the voucher will appear. These are the products it will be applied to, and here is the details of the budget, the start and end date, and the targeting. Submit. If we click on Voucher Dashboard, we now see that there are no vouchers running, but there's 2 which have been submitted. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.